Can you imagine that thing just coming through the wood and just... Yeah. Welcome back to the channel. Sheree is stuffing her face. Why do I always squint one eye? I've noticed that on every video.
You also scratch your neck.
And I scratch like some kind of a crackhead.
I lick my lips.
Alright.
You find out what your tics are when you watch yourself.
Yeah. If you don't know, or if you're new to the channel, we live and work on a hunting ranch, and so we have to go fill up some protein feeders today. Also, it's towards the end of February, and if you don't know, this time of year deer shed their antlers, and we usually, when we go fill up a protein feeder, it takes a while the machine's running. I'll show you that here in a second. And we kind of walk around and look for sheds kind of as we're filling those up. So we're gonna do that. Maybe we'll find something cool, and then we're gonna come back to...
I never find any. Yeah,
I usually find them all, but usually a lot of times we'll just go and make a whole day of it on the weekends and stuff, and actually just go out and walk the entire ranch and just look for deer sheds, and it's a lot of fun. It's something we enjoy doing, but as we're working and stuff and we're waiting on this machine to fill up these feeders, we'll kind of make a little mini run at it and see if we can't find something cool. After that, we're gonna come back and go to the shop, and I'm gonna show y'all, Sheree started doing some woodworking projects, and I'm gonna show y'all this cool hidden gun box thing that she's been making that's turning out really neat. Show y'all that, and just trying to do more of a daily video type of thing as much as I can. I always think in my mind that I have to have some big extravagant trip or something super cool to do a video, and I just wanted to challenge myself to just try to do better at filming and editing and all that. So I just figured I'd try to do more. What's so funny?
We don't need vacations. We're cool for you just to watch us every day. That's how cool we are.
Okay, well, let's get started. So it is windy and super cold, as you can see in the background. We got the feeder going, filling up this protein feeder. I've already done the other ones for the day. There's 6 of them on this ranch, and so it takes about 30-45 minutes for it to fill up. So we're gonna look for some sheds really quick just to see if we can't find anything. And are we splitting up or are we staying together?
Well, we know I ain't gonna find nothing, but we can split up.
All right,
we'll stay together. We'll stay kind of close. All
right, and I may just kind of keep the camera off until we find something, because the audio is going to be terrible. It's windy and it's super cold, but hopefully we find something. Really? Already?
He's a baby, but...
Yeah, he found one. That's a good... What'd you find? Deer skull?
Yeah. Must have been a doe.
No, look.
Oh, sure. Well, always a little nubby. You see one?
I think so.
Turd. What? Oh, it's another little one. Hey, I think it's a match to mine.
Just a little one.
Oh, that's funny. Now we have 2 old little ones. Oh, he says you have teeth. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy. Oh. don't run away.
We were just pulling back in from filling up the feeders, and we ended up finding 2 little sheds and 1 skull. But that clip you just saw was, we're on our way back, and that little axis buck, he's a little stag, he just started coming right up to the truck. I don't know why. We've been seeing him around. He stays up close to our house up here, and he's just super friendly for some reason. He's not scared of anybody, and he just kind of,
he hangs out like right here.
yeah,
he never came that close.
No, he's never came that close before. He just was really interested, I guess, in what we had. I guess he could smell the feed or something. I don't know.
He's right behind that bush.
All right, so we just made it back to the house from getting all that feed stuff done. Just wanted to show y'all what we ended up finding. We just ended up finding 2 little sheds that were obviously from a year ago, because they're real white from being out in the sun. And then we found a little skull of a little button buck or something. That's all we found. But yesterday I did find some really good ones. I found 2 axes yesterday when I was looking around. 1 big one, pretty good one, yeah, and then a smaller one. And then found a set of this Mondo right here.
Put them on your head, let's just see.
I mean,
that's insane.
Yeah. Can you imagine that thing just coming through the wood and just...
I'm just thinking neck pain.
Yeah. Anyways, so speaking of that, if you look above me, these frames up here, Cherie actually made these out of wood, these Euro frames, and this is our 2 deer that we shot last year. Hers is on the left and mine's right here on the right. But actually these frames are getting donated to for a fundraiser, and because Cherie started doing some woodworking, so she donated both of these frames for that fundraiser, and she's actually going tomorrow to deliver 2 other projects that she made. I'll show you all that real quick.
So I had a couple custom orders. These are all hand-painted cactus signs. You can see. Not the light.
Yeah.
And there's those that a friend had me make for her. And then here's another custom order for an Alabama fan.
Very cool.
Roll tide. And then I'm finishing up another project for a customer. It's a custom gun box.
So let's go down to the shop. I'll show y'all the gun box that she's working on, and then we'll close this thing out. So, all right, so made it back to the shop. I wanted to show y'all the gun box that Cherie's been working on. All right, so show them how it works.
All right, so obviously it's just a beautiful piece of art. It looks like it just hangs on your wall, but secretively, slide this door open.
You slide that door.
And you can hang your gun right here.
Yep, so there's a little hook right there. So you just hang your pistol right there.
Mm-hmm. And then obviously to put it on the wall to keep it secure, you're just gonna drill 4 holes into it straight into the wall, and that way it's extra secure. And that's it.
You shut it. You know, this looks like a picture frame on the wall. And this W is made out of metal. I cut that on the plasma cutter, but.
And then we have different types of chemicals that we can change the effects of how it looks. So.
Yeah. But anyways, that's it for today. We're wrapping this up and then gonna get some dinner and relax the rest of the day. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see y'all next time.
Yeah.